What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be another cook with me video, another keto recipe. We are making some chocolate chip cookies keto style. Okay, sis, keto. So I already got all my ingredients behind me. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment below what y'all think of my recipe. Yeah, I found it on Instagram. Yeah, follow me on Snapchat, Byrd the Goer. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Byrd_Latrice with 2 E's. And let's get into the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the ingredients. So we do have our Hershey Kisses chocolate chips. They are sugar-free. I also got some butter. Now the butter is optional. I didn't see this on the recipe, but I decided to add it so it can be a little bit more flavorful. I have my baking soda. I have my baking powder. I have my stevia for sweetener to give it a little bit more flavor also. I also have my vanilla flavor. I have my salt. I have an egg and my measuring cups. I also have my coconut oil and my flour. So let's go ahead and get started. So first we're going to go ahead and put the flour in. We're going to use 3/4 of a cup of the almond flour. I'm also using 2 tablespoons of sweetener. I'm also going to use 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Next, I'm going to be using the baking powder, and for that, I'm going to be using 1/4 teaspoon. All you need is a pinch of salt, just a pinch. Now we're going to go ahead and mix it all up. So now I have a separate bowl that I am adding 1 large egg into. So now I am taking my coconut oil and I'm going to put that into the microwave to melt it. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of that. Now this part is optional. I did take some butter and melted it and added 1 tablespoon into the mixture. Now for the vanilla, on the ingredients, it does say to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, but I believe I probably added like 2 of them. I also added 1 cup of chocolate chips. I did put my cookie batter in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes just so it can get hard. And now I am lining my cookie sheet with parchment paper. I used a tablespoon for my cookie dough and made a few cookies, and then I'm also going to flatten them out with a spoon, only because when you use the almond flour, they don't flatten and spread like normal cookies would, so you have to flatten them yourself. Y'all, when I tell y'all that these cookies are the bomb dot mother effing calm, these are fire. They don't even taste like low carb cookies. They taste like Pillsbury Dough Girl cookies or something. They're hella good, trust me. Make sure y'all comment. Look at that. Look, did y'all see that? Rewind it, run that back. But these cookies taste like they're good, okay? Make sure y'all comment, subscribe, all the shit.